Hi, I'm Chef Umesh Mattu. I'm the proprietor of Anubab Hospitality Consultants. I'm into training and designing and planning of the kitchens and back of the house for the hotels. Right now, I have been a chef for the last 35 years. My parents were never very keen that I should join the kitchen. But when I was in the catering school, I fell in love with the cooking, and also I thought that this is a skilled work and this skill will stay with me for the rest of my life. And I'm happy that I made this decision. I love the profession, I love my work, and I'm very happy I have chosen this profession. When I started my career, we did not have a lot of training material available. The only person who could train us was my senior supervisor or my senior chefs. There was no internet, there were not many books, so we were dependent on people to teach us. So that was the challenge which we faced. And today's time it is much easier. You have internet, you have people willing to teach. At that point of time there were not many people who were willing to teach. You had to learn yourself, you had to struggle to learn. And I think things have changed today. I make it with paneer, I make it with vegetables, I make a plain dandelion curry, leaves curry. Also I can make dandelion tea. So I use this ingredient which is very healthy and very nutritious in different forms and different ways. I make chicken with it. I use this in different dishes.